We started with passion. We grew with purpose. Today, we evolve sharper, stronger, and future-ready, guided by one vision to build smarter, deliver faster, and lead with impact. Welcome to the next chapter of Serpent Consulting Services.
Today, we march towards our next chapter, sharper, stronger, and future ready. While ERP is still at our core, we are passionate to deliver a smarter and stronger solution that will help every ERP user to have a successful journey forward. In the whole journey, we are thanking everybody, indirectly and directly participating in our journey, our customers, our partners, our employees, their families, and everybody. So we thank everybody once again and welcome to the next chapter of Serpent Consulting Services Private Limited, where what we do is ERP done right. Thank you.